Spotty Dotty Show. Shall we dance the waltz? In this video, I'll be showing you 3 basic steps on how to move and glide across the floor doing the waltz. Step number 1, progressive basic. The waltz is a smooth dance, and it's danced around the dance floor, going counterclockwise, always progressing, always moving. So this basic is going to teach you just how to do that to get started. You're going to start with your left foot, and you're going to take a forward step. Then with your left foot, you're going to go to the side, but slightly forward. So you want to continue to make that forward progression. Step on it. Then the left foot is going to come together with that right foot. So that's just half of the basic. Now with your right foot, you're going to do the same thing what you just did with the left. You're going to go forward, side and slightly forward, together. The count for the waltz is 1, 2, 3. You have 3 beats, so just kind of take a step on each one of those beats. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Forward, side and slightly forward, together. Forward, side and slightly forward, together. If you are a follower, you will be going backwards, not moving forward, because the leader will be driving forward and around the floor. You're going to be driving backwards and around the floor. So if you're the leader, you start with the left. If you are the follower, you start with the right. So I will do the follower step now. The concept is the same. You're just going back and you're starting with your right foot. So you're going to go back, side and slightly back, together, then back with the left now, and then side and slightly back, together. I'll show you. Starting with your right foot, you will go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you were doing it so you can see from the back with me, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Practice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As a follower now, back with the right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step number 2, the box in place. You already know how to move around the floor, but let's say you hit traffic and you can't keep moving forward and you have to keep dancing in place. This is a great step for that. You're starting with the left foot and you're going to take a forward step. Then with the right foot, take a side step. Then the left foot comes together with the right. Now the right foot is free. You're going to go back. Left foot goes to the side. And then the right foot comes together with the left. If you've done that, you just completed a box. It actually has the shape of a square, so it's easy to visualize. Let's try it again. Forward, side, together. Back, side, together. Forward, side, together. Back, side, together. If you are a follower, you would just be starting on the back side, on the second half of the box, the back side. Starting with your right foot, you're going to go back, side, together, forward, side, together. Back, side, together, forward, side, together. Practice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As a follower, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step number 3, box and underarm turn. Starting with your left foot, the leader is going to go and do a box. Forward, side, together, and then back, side, together. Now that looks a lot like the box because it is. What's going to change is that the leader is going to lift the left hand so the follower can go around in an underarm turn. That will happen when the leader goes back on the right foot. So you go 1, 2, 3. Now as the leader steps back on that right foot, the left arm is going to go up. 1, 2, 3. The leader now should do another whole box until the follower comes back around. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Followers, your step will look very different from the leader step. You're going to start with your right foot, going back as you usually do for the box. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now the leader is going to lift the left hand and your right hand as the leader steps back on the right and as you step forward on your left. When your hand and your arm is lifted is an indication of an underarm turn, which means the leader wants you to go under it. So you're going to go under your right arm and take 6 steps all the way around back to the leader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that you're back again facing the leader, you're just going to complete the box. Side, together. That is the box and underarm turn pattern. Practice as a leader. 1, 2, 3. Hands go up. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Practice as a follower. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There are a lot of other techniques in the waltz, such as the rise and fall and the sway. It's more important for you to be confident and know the foot positions at first. Once you're confident with that, then you can apply these other techniques. The rise and fall happens after you take that one step, which is your drive. You're going to go up on your tippy toes on 2 and then come down on 3. So you're going to drive, then up and down, drive, up and down. That's where your rise and fall happens. I want you to get a lot of energy on that one so you can move, and then you will kind of not move as much on the up and down. So where does the sway happen? After you take your 1, as you're about to go up on 2, you're going to reach first with your leg, but you're going to keep your upper body a little bit over that standing leg. You're going to reach with the other leg. And as you do that, your body is going to sway, going to go up and down, and then it's going to be straight again. Then you're going to go 1, kind of reach as if you were going to feel the water to see if the water is cold or warm in the pool. You don't go put your head on top of the pool. You keep your head on top of that standing leg, and then you're going to go up and down. So you go drive, sway up and down, drive, sway up and down, drive, sway up and down. And that's how you're going to sway and rise and fall. Now it's time to dance together. Go grab your partner, or you can practice by yourself. How do we hold your partner in the waltz? I'm gonna get on my partner's level here. This left hand, the leader's left hand, should be up and pointing out, fingers pointing out. The follower should place the follower's right hand over it, just like that, comfortably. And the leader's right hand should go on the follower's shoulder blade, and the follower's left arm and hand should rest right over the leader's arm. You want to keep this frame nice and wide, not too tight. A tighter, more intimate position is for Latin dances, but for smooth dances like the waltz, it's a nice and wide frame. There's height difference. He's going to be holding my waist for now. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Please like and subscribe and stay creative.